All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. So, this is a quick update on Euro USD. We are looking to take. My name is Michael Azan. If you are joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel as I come up here to give you my trade updates on the trades I'm looking to take actually. So, let me quickly show you what we're looking at on Euro USD. So, now you see this blue bar on the screen. How did we arrive at this blue bar? It's acting here as um, a resistance, support. So we are looking for this candle to break below, retest, and fall off. But why are we looking for trade to go? Why are we looking for Euro USD to go bearish? All right, let me show you why that is happening real quick. So quickly, we will have to fetch out our Fibonacci to, the Fibonacci retracements from swing high to swing low. All right, let me adjust the head a little. Good. Now, usually the 100% retracement is our TP1 and negative 27 is TP2. All right. Now that we have that on the way, let me show you how we arrived at this red bar being the liquidity zone. We don't just pick liquidity zone. Now, it is a 50% retracement. We always use the 50% retracement for liquidity zone. All right. And the 61 and 78% as the golden zone. That is where we look out for entries. Okay. That's where we look out for entry. That is the golden zone right there. So now, how are we going to enter this trade? We have seen that price has formed kind of a trend and have broken the the liquidity zone. We need a body candle close, like a body close above the liquidity zone, breaking it, and we have it right there on the daily time frame. So what we do now, and we have it in the golden zone as well, all right? Price is at our golden zone, but we will not just take a trade because this is the daily time frame. So what we do is we'll have to go to a lower time frame like the 4 hour or 1 hour, and we see what price is doing there. And perfect. Now let's look at it. So looking at it, price arrived at our golden zone with a very beautiful formation, which I like, giving us this higher high and higher low kind formation, forming an immediate trend or a counter trend, as many people will call it. And as you can see, the golden zone is forming something like a double top, which a lot of people will be taking sell from here. For those people who are very aggressive, they'll be going short from here, but I won't be doing that. Why? Because I still have this counter trend to break. Let me show you real quick. I still have this counter trend line to break. This is it right here. You understand? Price can tap this line and still bounce and continue going up. So we don't take a trade until we have a break off the counter trend line. And when it breaks, we'll still be looking for something like a retest or even close below that blue bar. Very necessary. All right. Remember that blue bar was acting as a support. So we don't want to contradict that as well. Now, for our TP1 and TP2, if you look at price is coming to this touch of the bigger trend line. This trend line was formed on the weekly time frame. Okay, so you can't ignore those touches on the weekly time frame. So that is how we arrived at this our TP. So we're looking at price to break here, retest, and we go down to the lower time frame. We're on the 4 hour already. We might go down to the 1 hour to look for an entry, or you can just stick to the 4 hour. So that's it for this video.